Hi everyone, we're in a Honda FRV, which is like a Japanese version of Fiat Multipla. This is a Japanese six-seater. It's got a seat in the middle like Fiat, and you've got three seats in the back obviously. I just wanted to show you one thing, because we're in, at the minute, on the continent in Europe. This is 1.7 petrol with LPG installed. I'll show you one thing, just one thing. Pretty much cold. This started no problem at all. Have a look at this. Never mind consumption on this car, but have a look at this. That's consumption average, and there we go. That's the mileage of it, 420,000. And as you can hear, the engine is pretty much sweet. 1.7 petrol with LPG, that's the LPG on it. Timing belt's been done. You've got a tag for oil, which has been done recently as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you. To me that's a good practice. You can tell when, what type of oil, what brand of oil. That's the diagnostics for LPG. Nice and simple engine, no problems with it. 30 little car. Just wanted to show you what car 400,000 looks like. 420,000. Doesn't seem like it. I'll see you shortly because I'm finishing my holidays and I'll be back soon. See you on the next one.